Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Section Wizard tutorial. This video will demonstrate how to use the Section Wizard to complete Step 2, Contributions and Loans Received. The Section Wizard feature is available for Step 2, Contributions and Loans Received, and Step 3, Expenditures and Contributions Made. The Section Wizard helps you determine which forms you must complete in these sections. Select the Section Wizard link under Step 2, and you'll be prompted to answer 3 questions based on your committee's campaign finance activity during the reporting period. Question 1. Did the committee receive any monetary contributions, in-kind contributions, or loans during the reporting period? If your committee was given money or resources during the reporting period, answer yes to this question. Question 2. Does the committee currently have any investments held in the form of certificates of deposit, bonds, or securities, whether made this period or previously held? Most committees do not have investments, so we will answer no for this tutorial. Question 3. Did the committee receive any monetary gain other than a contribution or a loan? For instance, say your committee received bank interest during the reporting period. This is money coming into the committee, so it must be reported, but it is not necessarily a contribution to your committee. For this tutorial, we will answer yes. Based on your responses, the Section Wizard will take you through any mandatory or supplemental forms you may need to complete, starting with the monetary and in-kind contributions received form. Enter and save any relevant information. Then, click Next to proceed. If a candidate committee itemized any contributions received, the Section Wizard will then ask, has any contributor, one who gave monetary contributions in excess of $100, disclosed an existing contractual relationship with the state or any political subdivision of the state? For this tutorial, we are going to answer no. Next, the Section Wizard will take you through the Fundraising Events Held form, the Loans Received form, and the Miscellaneous Receipts form. Enter your information in any relevant forms, or if no data exists, check the None this period box. You will then return to the Report menu. As you can see, we have now completed all required sections for Step 2 using the Section Wizard. This concludes our Contributions and Loans Received Section Wizard tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we will demonstrate how to complete the Expenditures and Contributions Made section using the Section Wizard.